Alam naman natin tong larong tong Snake Game, di ba? Bakit nga namin siya pinili? Pinili namin siya dahil siya ay pinakamadaling laruin and nostalgic. Pinili din namin siya dahil nakapag-enjoy kami lalo na sa kabataan. And dahil isa na rin sa rason na yun na pinili namin siya ay mayroon siyang minimalistic na design and gameplay.
Pie game to simulate sound and music. Random module para mag-appear yung food and poison randomly sa buong mapa.
So ang mechanics ng game namin is tuwing nakakain yung apple, nadadagan yung score yung body na snake. And tuwing every 5 score ay nadadagdagan yung poison randomly sa game. And yung controls, WASD or pwede rin yung arrows. And ang rules ng game, pag tumaas ka, bawal na bumaba. And pag nag-right naman, bawal na mag-left to avoid collision. And pag tumama ka rin sa border, game over rin. And accidentally mo makain yung poison, game over rin. And yung body rin ng snake, pag bumangga ka dun, is game over rin. And yung goal ng game is to survive as long as you can.
UNC, yung game design namin is based sa retro pixel games. And nag-import kami ng mga original custom made na objects or graphics na nilagay namin sa Turtle module.
Gumamit po kami dito ng Turtle, Time Random, and Pie game. And as you can see, pag po pinay natin yung game, alabas po dito yung custom images na ginamit namin. As you can see, pag pupili natin yung game, nakita po natin dito yung turtle method, and yung snake, yung apple na kailangan po kainin na snake, and yung poison po na custom made images, which is si Justin Kim Torres, na kailangan po iwasan ng snake.
Hello guys, I'm Dave Taaka and tatry natin ngayon yung Pixel Serpent na game na ginawa natin for our project. So here's loading screen. Ito nga pala yung menu namin. And as you can see, here is our UI, our front end. And here we have the snake, meron din poison, and may food yung apple. So, kinain natin yung apple. Siyempre, hahanap yung snake. 1 by 1. Let's try to get 5 score. Yun, dumagdag yung poison. Naging 2. Dumagdag. Dapat randomly across the map. Yun, naging 3 na dahil naging 10. Every 5 food na nakakain natin guys, dumadagdag yung poison. So try nyo mag-survive as long as you can. And pag nakain nyo yung poison, let's see. And na game over. Sorry, game over. Yeah, let's try naman natin yung bangga sa wall. Game over. So yun lang naman guys yung full game namin, and thank you for watching.